beyond. My name is Ida, and today I'm making a classic comfort soup, Asopao de Pollo. In English, it's translated roughly into like a chicken gumbo. It tastes amazing and super simple to make. Here are the ingredients. Here I have 5 chicken thighs that I already seasoned with about a teaspoon of adobo, a little bit of cumin, and a little bit of oregano. So here's 5, roughly about 1.5 pounds. 4 cups of chicken stock. We're going to be using chicken stock and 4 cups of water. So total 8 cups. Here I have 3/4 of a cup of white long grain rice that I have been soaking for at least an hour. Why do I soak it? So it won't soak up all the liquid in the soup. Here I have about 2 tablespoons of canola oil, which I'm going to brown the chicken. 1 cup of tomato sauce. Here I have half a teaspoon of oregano and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. About 10 to 12 olives, your choice. A couple of sprigs of cilantro and 1/4 cup of sofrito. This is, oh, and I forgot, 1 packet of sazon with culantro and achote. This is all you're going to need to make asopao de pollo. In a large pot at medium-high heat, it's at a 7 right now. My stove goes from 0 to 10, and it's at a 7 right now. I put in, if you can see, the canola oil, and I'm going to just place the chicken pieces to brown. Some pieces don't have the skin, so it's like 3 have the skin, 2 don't, because I don't want that much fat in my soup. You see, like those, 1 and 1. This one has it. So we're just gonna brown it a couple of minutes on each side, and then we'll be back. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes. Ah, look at that, how beautiful. This is what we want to see. So we're just going to, oh, look at that. We're just going to brown them, and then we're going to slowly add the sofrito on the other. So I'm going to finish here and then go to the next step. So now the chicken is all nice and brown. Oh my goodness. Now we're going to add the sofrito, the sprig, and we're going to cook it, making sure everything is nice and incorporated. You should lower the temperature. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing. So I added the rest of the ingredients, the tomato sauce, the spices, the water, I'm sorry, the broth. We're going to do the little packet, the rest of the water. So basically everything is in except for the rice. So if you like this video, thumbs up, and even better, subscribe to my channel so you get to see all these yummy dishes I'm making. Okay, so now we're going to lower the heat, cover it, and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, okay? Until the chicken is nice and tender and done. So remember, everything is in except for the rice. So we'll be back when we get to add the rice. So it's been 30 minutes. And oh, let me catch one. It's nice and tender. Everything is done. So now it's time to add the rice. I drained it, and we're just going to cook it 20-25 minutes until the rice is cooked, and we will have our asopao de pollo. So here you have it, my version of asopao de pollo, or Puertorican style chicken gumbo. It is amazing. And you see I put a little, you see how nice and soft and tender the chicken is? Exactly what you want. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And in the description box down below are all my links to my social media, to my Facebook and to my Instagram. And you cannot have asopao without a beautiful tostón, twice fried plantain. So there's nothing else to say then. Buen provecho.
It is boiling hot.
Oh my goodness.
Try it.